Welcome 1984 Dodge Truck A, built tough, built to last. Opening scene, vintage footage of the 1984 Dodge truck on a rugged road. Narrator: the year is 1984, and Dodge is redefining what it means to be tough. Introducing the 1984 Dodge Truck A, a machine built for power, endurance, and reliability. Cut to close-up shots of the exterior. Bold grille, classic lines, heavy-duty build. Narrator: with a bold, commanding design, the A84 Dodge truck stands tall among the competition. Its signature grille and heavy-duty frame make it an icon of strength. Cut to engine bay. A roaring engine sound. Narrator: under the hood, the mighty power of the 5.9 liters V8 engine delivers the muscle you need, whether hauling heavy loads or tackling off-road adventures. With unmatched torque and durability, this truck was built to work as hard as you do. Cut to the interior. Classic dashboard, comfortable bench seats. Narrator: step inside and experience a cabin designed for comfort and utility. From the rugged yet stylish dashboard to the spacious seating, the 1984 Dodge truck balances toughness with the driver-focused design. Montage: a truck driving through mud, hauling equipment, and park proudly. Narrator: whether you're on the job site, the open road, or the toughest terrains, the A84 Dodge truck is your reliable companion. Built tough, built to last. That's Dodge durability in action. Closing scene. A classic Dodge logo appears on screen. Narrator: the 1984 Dodge Truck A true legend of American strength. On the road, on the legacy. Drive Dodge. And here's a script highlighting the toughness and legacy of the 1984 Dodge truck. Let me know if you'd like any modifications or additions.